Good morning, students. Today we shall discuss about the administration system of Kakatiyas. Before I am going to explain this topic, what we are discussing in previous video, we shall discuss about the political history of Kakatiyas, like discuss about Ganapati Deva and his daughter Rani Rudrama Devi and her grandson second Prataparudra. So he was the last ruler of the Kakatiyan kingdom. In the year of 1323, he died with suicide, and the Orugallu changed the name like Sultanpur, and the Kakatiyan kingdom was merged in the kingdom of Delhi Sultans. So that is the end of the decline of Kakatiyas. Today we shall discuss about what type of administration should be followed by the Kakatiyas. Here, put the heading, students. This is also most important essay type question in the view of annual examination. That's why you can listen very carefully and write down the key points of the administration system of Kakatiyas. Okay, students, according to our sources of Kakatiya kingdom, the Kakatiyan administration system can be divided into two categories. One, central government, and second, provincial government. So first of all, central government. Put the heading. In central government, king was played a key role in the administration. That's why here I mentioned king was the supreme head of the state. And what type of administration should be followed by the Kakatiyan rulers? Monarchical government. It means Rajarika Palana. A ruling of kings is nothing but monarchical government. And how the governmental form? Hereditary nature. వారసత్వంగా వచ్చేటటువంటిది కనిపిస్తుంది. Hereditary nature. And king was played a key role in the administration, and he was the supreme head of the government, and he played, and he have all powers vested in his hands. He have all powers in his hands. Why? Because he was the ruler of the dynasty, and he followed Dharma Shastras. In the implement of administration, the kings followed the Puranic Hindu Dharma Shastras, and king was assisted by a council of ministers. In that, Mahapradhani, Mantri, Amatya, Pregada. These are the most important ministers in the council. This council was advised to the kings in the view of administration. And the administration, total administration was divided into 72 niyogas. Bahattara Niyogadipati was the head of these 72 niyogas. Total Kakatiyan kingdom administration divided into 72 niyogas, nothing but departments. These 72 niyogas can be headed by the one officer, that is called as Bahattara Niyogadipati. He was the head of 72 Niyogadipati. And next, second part, provincial government. For the convenience of administration, The Kakatiyan kingdom was divided into nadus. Nadus can be divided into sthalas. Sthalas can be divided into villages. This is provincial government system. Okay, first one nadus. Nadus can be divided into sthalas. Sthalas can be divided into villages. Village was the basic unit of the administration. Village administration should be followed by Reddy, Thalari, Karanam and Purohita. So this is provincial government system. And now I am going to explain about military organization. Kakatiya's rulers are maintained a huge army. It was consisted with elephants, horses and foot soldiers. A lot of army was built up by the Kakatiyan rulers. Elephant's head was Gajasahini, horse's head was Aswasahini and foot soldier's head was Senadipati. This is military wings of the Kakatiyas. And some of the Kakatiyan inscriptions are mentioned Lenkas. Who is Lenkas? Lenkas are the bodyguards of kings. These are the personal army of the king. What is name? Lenkas. Lenkas nothing but king bodyguards. So Kakatiyans maintained a Nayankara system. So Nayankara system was the special army feature of the Kakatiyan period. This is also most important in very short answer question. Write about Nayankara system. So it was the important feature of the army of Kakatiyas. And how it is look like Jamindari system or Jagirdari system. Compare like with Jagirdari system. And what is his position? Loyalty is the throne was its essence. Loyalty is the throne was its essence. They were granted fixed villages and in the lays of their salaries. And what about what they are doing? Collected taxes from their which regions was granted to me and maintain the army. When the king was invaded in other part of regions, he supported to the king and sent some army. And one inscription say about there was 72 Nayankaras. During the time of second Prataparudra, 72 Nayankaras are there. So this is Nayankara system. And what about next? Judicial system. King was the supreme judge of the state, but some of judicial officers are appointed by the king. They are Pradvi Vakas. Judicial officers, Pradvi Vakas. Write down students. Pradvi Vakas are the judicial officers during the time of Kakatiyans. And one court was established by the ruler, that is Dharmasthana. Dharmasthana or Dharmasthana. It is the court of during the time of Kakatiyan period. And Reddy, he was a village magistrate, and punishments were very severe. For example, cutting the limbs, cutting the tongue and nose, etc. So breathing, head, this type of punishments were served in the time of Kakatiyas. And next, revenue system. Land tax was the main income source of the state. Already I saw in previous video. Land tax was the main income source of the state, and land was surveyed and measured, and kings built so many tanks for the development of agriculture sector, and cut the forests and provide irrigation facilities to the new land, and produced a huge crops in level. And Panna, Panga, these are the land tax during the time of Kakatiyan period. Panna and Panga are the land taxes during the time of Kakatiyas. And Siddhayam, some inscriptions mentioned about Siddhayam. Siddhayam also one of the land tax during the time of Kakatiyan period. How much they collected? 1/6 of the land tax was collect of the produce. And another important taxes are Revu Sunkam. They were collect from the taxes from industries, cultures, etc. This type of tax was main income source of the Kakatiyan kingdom. So this is brief information about administration system of Kakatiyas. Tomorrow we shall discuss about the social and economic conditions of Kakatiyan period.